Namaste and welcome to Agrisiri channel. Today, we are diving into a company that is truly empowering the future of agriculture in India, Agrisiri Farmers Producer Company Limited. If you are looking to start a new venture in agriculture or expand your existing business, you are in the right place. Agrisiri operates with a 360-degree approach to empower businesses for a sustainable future for India. Our motto is agriculture for global responsibility, integrity, sustainability, including rights or identity of the farmers of India. You can start your projects. That one of the most exciting things about Agrisiri is their focus on helping you get up to a 50% subsidy on your projects. Yes, you heard that right, up to 50% subsidy. We are a one-stop solution for funding schemes across various categories. Agrisiri company is officially recognized as a startup by the Government of India's Ministry of Commerce or Industry. We specialize in project loans, both collateral and non-collateral, for agri or allied projects under credit-linked guarantee schemes for our farmers. Agrisiri offers a comprehensive range of solutions for your projects with project management solutions, that overall end-to-end solutions including experts consultation and supports. Why Agrisiri experts? We offer integrated project management solutions that we offers 360-degree approach helps you save time and money. Agrisiri goes above and beyond by helping you secure crucial funding for your agricultural and allied projects, offering both collateral and non-collateral options through various credit-linked guarantee schemes. We expertly navigate you through vital programs like the NLM, National Livestock Mission, PMEGP, Prime Minister's Employment Generation Program, PMFME, Pradhan Mantri Formalization of Micro Food Processing Enterprises Scheme, the Beneficial Agri Infrastructure Fund, and the widely utilized Kisan Credit Card. Furthermore, they assist with schemes from the Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry or Dairying, and connect you with key financial institutions like SIDBI, Small Industries Development Bank of India, and the Essential CGTMSE scheme, Credit Guarantee Fund Trust for Micro and Small Enterprises. With Agrisiri, you have a comprehensive partner to unlock the financial support your project needs. Agrisiri extends its support to cutting-edge technologies and green energy initiatives, empowering projects in areas like Gobardhan, which focuses on converting organic waste into valuable resources like biogas and bio-CNG, promoting a circular economy and rural income. We also assist with solar energy projects, including the PM Surya Ghar, Muft Bijli Yojana, which provides subsidies for rooftop solar installations to help households achieve free electricity and reduce carbon emissions. Additionally, Agrisiri supports honey beekeeping through schemes like the National Beekeeping or Honey Mission, NBHM, encouraging scientific beekeeping for increased honey production, improved crop pollination, and enhanced livelihoods for farmers and entrepreneurs.
They may be tiny, but bees are one of the most powerful pollinators on earth. 1 out of every 3 bites of food depends on them. Without bees, our plates would look very different. Sweet gift of nature. From pollination to honey, bees work hard for us. Bees support farmers too. They boost crop yields and biodiversity. But bees are in danger. Pesticides, pollution, and habitat loss are hurting them. You can help. Plant bee-friendly flowers. Say no to harmful chemicals. Support beekeepers. This World Bee Day, let's be the change.
Under the transformative Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana, or PMMSY, India is revolutionizing its fisheries sector with a strategic cluster development program. This ambitious scheme, launched with a significant investment, aims for the holistic and sustainable growth of fisheries and aquaculture across the nation. The core idea behind the cluster-based approach is to enhance the competitiveness of the fisheries sector by facilitating economies of scale, generating higher incomes, and expanding fisheries and aquaculture in an organized manner. By bringing together various enterprises from production to export, these clusters address critical gaps in the value chain, fostering cooperation and creating abundant business and livelihood opportunities. We are seeing exciting developments, from India's first organic fisheries cluster launched in Sikkim, promoting sustainable and environmentally friendly production, to the notification of a tuna fisheries cluster in Andaman or Nicobar Islands. The program also emphasizes the development of production and processing clusters for areas like pearl cultivation, ornamental fisheries, and seaweed cultivation, addressing region-specific needs. is about more than just increasing fish production, it's about modernizing infrastructure, strengthening post-harvest management, and building a robust framework to ensure the socio-economic welfare of fishers and fish farmers, making India a global leader in sustainable fisheries. Beyond securing funding and offering expert consultation, Agrisiri ensures seamless project implementation through its in-house team. This dedicated team handles crucial aspects like warehouse and fabrication works, providing a robust, end-to-end solution for your projects. Their integrated project management approach means they are with you every step of the way, from concept to completion, ensuring adherence to guidelines and efficient execution of all on-ground activities. India's agricultural sector is undergoing a transformative digital revolution, powered by the development of Digital Public Infrastructure, or DPI, for agriculture. This ambitious initiative, spearheaded by the Digital Agriculture Mission, aims to empower farmers with data-driven insights and seamless digital services. At its core is AgriStack, envisioned as a farmer-centric DPI, similar to Aadhaar for identity, that includes foundational registries like the Farmers Registry with unique digital IDs linked to land records, geo-referenced village maps, and a crop zone registry to accurately track what's growing where. Complementing this is the Krishi Decision Support System, which integrates vast amounts of data including satellite imagery, weather patterns, and soil health information to provide real-time, personalized advisories to farmers. The benefits are immense. Farmers can expect simplified and faster access to government schemes, streamlined paperless crop loans, tailored agricultural extension services, and improved market connectivity. By leveraging advanced technologies like AI and remote sensing, this DPI is set to enhance productivity, reduce post-harvest losses, and ensure better financial inclusion, ultimately fostering a more efficient, transparent, and prosperous agricultural ecosystem across the nation. India's farming future presents a compelling landscape for investment, driven by robust sector growth, government initiatives, and a surge in technological adoption. The agricultural sector is projected for significant growth in the coming years, attracting substantial private and venture capital investments, particularly in agri-tech startups. Government support through various schemes, increased budget allocations, and the development of digital public infrastructure for agriculture are further bolstering this potential, making India's agricultural sector ripe for both domestic and global investors seeking sustainable and profitable returns. For more information, visit their website at agrisiri.in or call their toll-free number, जोड़ 0998696660. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more insights, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. See you in the next one. Remember, all schemes and project loans are subject to approval by the competent authority and eligibility. And all services and support are subject to the company's terms and conditions.